Hi guys, this is John Paul at Vacation Angel. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Google Street View app to make 360 panoramas. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click the Google Street View map, and if you're on the Explore tab when it opens up, you're going to click Create. Now this is the page you want to be on. You're going to click Photosphere, and now you're ready to take a photo. That's all it takes. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that little orange dot in the circle. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your phone in one spot, and you're going to turn around the phone just as such. You don't want the phone to move off of the vertical axis. You want it to stay in one spot because it's basically going to take a photo of everywhere around it. And if you move the phone off that axis, it's going to change the stitching of the final image. So now that I've done one 360 turn, you're now going to do the next level up, just like this. And you're going to do as well a job as you can to stay in one spot and just turn the phone horizontally till you get all these dots. Now don't forget to get the top. It's going to ask you for a top photo. And the same thing at the bottom. So now that I've done that, we're going to do the bottom half now. Now don't forget to keep the phone in one spot and turn around the phone. Because if you stand in one spot and you turn the phone around you, then you're going to miss a little bit of the photo. Then we get the bottom. And there. Now that the panel is done, you see the check mark has turned green. Click the check mark and you will have it erased. You can click Photosphere to do your next photo, or to check your photos, you're going to click your profile, and you'll see the photo we just took is starting to download. Once it's downloaded, you can click it to check it. Now let's look at it. That's our sphere. So right now I'm in one of my cottages on Grant Island. This is the Stabbing Cabin 2 you're looking at. And you can see that it's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. You can see what the room looks like, right? So once you do that, you're going to send us these photos. You're going to click the photo just like that. And when you click it quick like that, you're going to click the share button right here next to the garbage can to the left of it. You're not going to publish to Google Maps, and you're not going to click the garbage pail. Now it's going to ask you to cancel or share privately. You're going to click share privately, and then you'll be able to save it to your phone or send it that way. So if you're connected to us on WhatsApp, just send me the image on WhatsApp, or you can save the image to your phone in a folder on Drive, Google, whatever, any folder on your phone. And then from your folder on your phone, you can send it to us by email, download it to Google Drive, Dropbox, anything that your phone has capabilities of. Put all the photos into one folder and then send them to us. The email is in the tutorial on the written version, so check that on how to send it to us. And if you have any questions, let me know. So I'm going to do an example of just sending it to one of my Google Drive folders. I click that. You can see it's downloaded, uploaded, I should say. And now that folder is in now that file is in that folder. So when I want to go look at it, I can now go to that Google Drive folder, click the folder. Now that file should be in here. And here is the image. We can see it. I'm going to click on it, check it. That's how it's going to look. That's what a panorama looks like. And what you're going to do is you're going to send that image to us, and that's all we need. When we put it into our software, it'll make it into a perfect virtual tour image. So if you have any questions, just hit me up on WhatsApp. You can go on our website, hit the help widget in the bottom right corner, or send me an email at johnpaul@vacationangel.com, and I will get back to you. Good luck, guys.